Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Before giving my ninth recommendation, I like to share my last recommendation. Last week, I asked everyone to purchase SBI at the rate of 198 rupees 60 paisa. The last trader price of SBI is 225 rupees. There is a 10% appreciation from my recommendation. So all of you who buy those shares can hold those shares for 3 or 4 days more and watch the share very carefully. When there is any correction coming to the stock, please sell that share. Then you can able to enter it at lower rate and accumulate that share. Because the moratorium is going to stop this month itself. So due to COVID, every enterprises, every persons are facing difficulties. So most of the people can't able to repay the loan for 3 or 4 months. So next quarter will be a bad quarter for most of the banks. There's chances for NPA to increase. So State Bank of India is a very good share. If you are a long-term investor, don't bother about anything. Hold on it. You will certainly the share will reach more than 300 rupees. This 7 out of 8 shares I recommended earlier was hit the target and give more than 30-40% return to every viewers of my channel. Today I like to recommend a share from IT space. The name of the company is Nuclear Software Exports Limited. It had its presence in India for more than 20 years. It had a strong client base all over the world. It had its presence in 50 plus countries. It is a global banking products and solution provider. It extended their services to training and other services also. It had a strong base in retail banking, internet banking, corporate banking, etc. etc. And in this COVID period, there is no hindrance for the company. 100% of employees are working at their home. So I think this is the only sector which was not affected due to COVID. Their clients include Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance, Manappuram, and so many other big companies in India. The face value of the company is 10 rupees. Let us value the company. Let us look what is the valuation of the company. The EPS of the company is 37 rupees 45 paisa and PE is just 14 rupees against the industrial PE of 23 rupees. And it had a book value of 193 rupees. Let us check the quarter profit. Its June quarter profit is 36 crores. Against the 2019 June, they had only 16 crore profit. So there is a huge jump in profit also. The share capital company is only 29 crores and it had a reserve of 531 crores rupees in their hand. The promoter's stake of the company is only 67.59% and FIRs are also holding a good percentage of the holding. They had 7% holding in the company. So altogether, this is a very good share to buy now. The only negative factor is that it is trading at its year high. So if there is any correction in the market, we can happen to see a 10 to 15% reduction in the share prices. However, when when we value this company, it had the potentiality to reach 750 rupees within 6 or 7 months. So as usual, I am saying that you consult your own advisor before buying these shares based on my recommendation. If you like my tips that are given every week, you please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.